Welcome back on this Thursday or Friday Eve. We're getting so close to the weekend. It feels so good. Don't forget to log on to WBTV.com/vote so we can hear from you throughout the next 30 minutes. What a special treat, Kristen, that we have right now.
I feel so honored to be in the kitchen with this woman again, Barbara McKay. Hello, how are you, my dear?
I am blessed and honored to be standing in this kitchen. It's my 44th year.
Are you kidding me?
But you were not born. You were not in the world.
Yes, I was, my dear. God bless you, but yes, I was. Okay, let's talk about a couple of things first before we get to this beautiful cookbook and the recipe that you're going to make. Happy birthday.
Oh, well.
Today is Barbara McKay's birthday.
My friends call, I think.
Well, I got one email, but happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
We're delighted to have you here on your birthday.
I'm just thankful to be here on any day, but especially this day. So thank you, Kristen.
This is a beautiful book.
Thank you.
It really is, and I know a lot of work went into it, but what I love about it, and I mentioned this before, it isn't just the recipes, which we're so excited for the recipes because there are some good ones in here, but it really is the story, not just of your time here at WBTV, but the time that led up to it. Why was it important for you to share all of that with people who I know have loved you for decades?
My children encouraged me to do this. They know that my journey began because of my love of food.
Yes.
It's my faith that got me through it.
Yes.
So I write about that. And I had a wonderful friend who's probably watching right now. Her name is Debbie. And she said, Barbara, talk about what's comfortable, but also talk about what's uncomfortable. And I have to kind of gulp when I say that because I did do that.
Yes.
And I wanted it to be a book that would encourage people because against all odds, I've done a lot of different things. I'm so grateful.
You have done so many different things. The one story that really touched me, there's so many, but the one story that really touched me was your audition here at WBTV. You know, so many people come here these days and they have to have this much experience and they have to have done this many things. And you sort of said, you know what, I'm going to try. You didn't have TV experience when you auditioned at WBTV.
And that's why I want people to be encouraged. Don't let anyone tell you no. You go for your dreams, you plan it and do it. And I was very blessed in that I had WBTV, who I will always be grateful to for giving me that chance. I was horrible, Kristen.
I doubt you were horrible.
No, I was horrible. And I just kept going and I just kept coming back. And for some reason, they let me. They taught me how to do TV right here. And I'm still here. 44 years later, I'm still here.
We are so happy you're here. Okay, the one recipe that you're going to make for us today is this wonderful soup. Tell me a little bit about this soup.
Okay. First of all, I have all of those things that you're looking at over there in the cookbook.
Okay.
But this soup, I have a friend who called me and said, Barbara, is your hearty vegetable soup in your book? And I said, it is. And she said, I'll take 5. So those are the kinds of recipes that I have in this. So it's perfect this time of year. I have the cheese biscuits going with it. I have the cornucopia salad, lots of fruit, but a tangy light dressing going with that.
Yum.
But the hearty vegetable soup, and this is what I try to do with all of the recipes. They are easy to make.
Good.
But first, they had to be delicious.
Yes.
They had to be popular and delicious and easy to make, ingredients easy to find.
Good.
Now the soup, it does take a few hours, but only minutes to put it together.
Okay.
So let's let you do that.
Oh, okay.
Let's begin with my big pot right here.
Yes.
I have a funny story. Every time I see this pot, I'll have to tell it if we have time.
It's a beautiful pot. It's a beautiful pot.
Anyway, I have put about 1.5 pounds of stew beef, and this is a very inexpensive cut, so this goes a long way.
Yes.
And then I put a little bit of beef ribs, about 1 pound of beef ribs in there.
Great.
You let that simmer for about 2 hours.
Okay.
And then you refrigerate it.
Okay.
I did that yesterday.
Yep.
So then I could just skim off all of the fat and the bone, the things you don't want in there.
Right.
Then you put it back on the heat, and I'm going to let you start putting in. Let's put in a can of tomato sauce.
Okay.
Good work.
Yes.
And then a can of diced tomatoes.
Okay.
Good work.
We don't want to splash.
And by the way, when you are cooking the beef stew and when you're cooking the beef ribs, what you want to do is just cover that with just enough water so that you do have some wonderful beef broth while you're putting all of that together. And then you're going to, not yet, seasonings first.
Okay, what kinds of seasonings?
Okay, we've got some garlic powder, about a ½ teaspoon of each one of these, and some basil and some sage and some oregano.
Okay.
Stir that around.
Yep.
Good job.
Okay, good.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, all of it?
2 teaspoons, yes, 2 teaspoons of salt. I know it sounds like a lot.
No, but it's good.
But it's a big pot of soup. And then about a teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, as I mentioned.
Okay.
You're going to let that simmer for an hour. So we will pause and let that simmer for an hour.
Yes.
When you come back to it again, you see how moments you put it together.
Right.
We will come back to that.
Yes.
And we'll put in a can of tomato soup.
Okay. Oh, good. Okay.
You want to wait for that to simmer? But no, it's okay, Kristen, go. Just
If
go
only
for it.
we
Just put
had
it on.
all the time. If only we had all the time.
And then this is a large package of frozen vegetables.
Easy.
Easy.
Okay.
Just put all of that in, let it simmer for another 30 minutes. And again,
Okay.
it's all in the cookbook. And then what I recommend for dessert is something you just talked about.
Yes.
My
Sweet
sweet
potato.
potato pie.
Love that.
It is
Look at
so
that.
good. It's my favorite Thanksgiving pie. And I did find a mountain of sweet potatoes at a
Good.
couple of stores. I will share the secret
Okay.
with your person out there searching
Maddie,
for sweet potatoes.
come see Ms. Barbara McKay. She will tell you where to find the sweet potatoes. We have 30 seconds left.
Okay, well, again, I just wanted it to be a book that would also inspire.
Yes.
Encourage, inspire, and entertain. It's a book that has a lot of funny stories in it. Doing live TV for this many years, craziness happens. And also
does.
in my just private life, a lot of embarrassing and funny things. But most of all, I just wanted people to be inspired and encouraged.
You've interviewed unbelievable people. You can get this book at barbaramckay.com. I'm going to try your beautiful
Please
soup.
do.
You know every recipe Barbara's ever made on these shows has been delicious. This one as well.
And you can eat and talk at the same time. You are so
Rudely.
good at your job.
Rudely. But when we're running out of time, that's what I have to do. Thank you so much for
And
gracing
thank you
us.
all.
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely. All right, barbaramckay.com, Mary King. We'll get you some soup too.
Oh, please do.
This
Please
is so good.
do.
It's so like hearty and
Perfect this time of year.
oh my gosh, it's perfect. This
What
is so
great.
good.
I can't wait. Hey, Kristen,